PolyLite PLA is a reliable 3D printing material with a wide variety of colours. It combines strength and rigidity, providing an easy-to-print material with good mechanical properties. PLA is still the most common 3D printing material due to its high strength and its processability, which makes it a good candidate for product design, home gadgets, toys, trinkets, cosplay and prototyping. What makes PolyLite PLA unique is Polymaker's jam-free technology. This raises the softening temperature of PLA from 60 degrees to 140. This allows you to print consistently over long periods of time without the PLA softening too early and jamming the extruder. PolyLite PLA is your go-to material for everyday printing.